Welcome to my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. Migraine is a very painful disease. It's a very painful condition. When someone is having the migraine or headache or something related with the head issue, it is very much clear, must understand the major difference between the migraine and the headache. If you are having the headache, it may be frontal headache, it may be occipital headache, it may be the temporal headache, both the side. This is known as headache. Frontal side headache, forehead headache, and this is occipital head headache, and this is temporal region headache, and this is the top of the head. In the top of the head there is a headache. Therefore, the location of the headache, location of the pain in the head is very important to diagnose and to make the protocol also. But in this video, I will just talk about the migraine. Very simple symptom of migraine, how to recognize, how to diagnose that this is the migraine. When you are having the migraine, you want to go in a darker place. You want to switch off the light. You want to avoid any sound. You avoid, no one should talk with you. No one should ask you why you are lying down. These are the basic symptoms of the migraine. You don't want to talk to anybody. You don't want to see anybody. You like a dark place. You like a lonely corner of your house. And so many similar things you like when you are suffering from the migraine. So I will give you very simple treatment how you can treat with the help of the my color medicine. As you know, I am using the colors. These colors are these markers colors, but they are very powerful. Black color means it is a color of the coldness energy. It is inducing the coldness, water content in your blood. When your blood is cool, your nervous system is cool, your circulatory system is also cool. When there is blood circulation, nervous system, circulatory system, and pressure in the blood is also controlled, you will find your migraine is reducing slowly and slowly and slowly. You will calm down, your mind will calm down, your brain will calm down, and finally you will have a very good sleep. You can have a sound sleep. Now I will tell you very simple points. First, I will tell you the point on my hand. Here you can see, this is my hand. This is the index finger. Just go downward to the index finger, where this bone of the index finger and this thumb is joining. There is a triangle. Just you press in this triangle. Just you press this triangle. Just you press this triangle like this, as I am pressing. You can use anything. You can use your finger pressure. You can use any pen or whatever you are comfortable, you can use it. While pressing this point, you will feel the energy is flowing in upper part of the body, energy in the all area in this area. And this point is also one of the best analgesic point, painkiller point in the upper part of the body. You may have the teeth pain, you may have the ear pain, you may have any type of pain in upper part of the body. Just you press this point, as I am pressing, you will get relief. Or I show you, this is the black color. Black color represents the coldness energy. You can paint this point very comfortably with the black color, as I am showing here. This is my left hand. This is the point. You can paint it black color. You are putting the black color, it means you are inducing the coldness energy. When this point will give you the complete relief in this area. Then with the help of this model, I will show you another point. You can see the foot of this model. Here you see the foot of this model. Here is a point. This point is called lever 2. Where your thumb, big toe is joining with the foot. The root of the foot is the point, correct point. You can paint this point with black color also. You can paint lever 2 point black color. In the chart, if you want to show you, I can show you in the chart also, but here you can see it very comfortably. Where you can put this black color on both sides, left side and right side. Both the foot, lever 2, you can put black color. So by putting this black color, Li4, this is one of the point, and another point I have told you in the foot also. Third point is very good point. You can paint the center of this eyebrow. Center of the eyebrow. I will show you in the model. This is the eyebrow. This is the eyebrow of the model. This is the eyebrow of the model. Just in the center of the eyebrow, you can put a black dot. Both sides, you can put a black dot here. You can put a black dot is at this spot. This is very good point for the migraine. You can also apply the pressure on this point to relax from migraine. I'm putting the black color on this point, and in the arm, this is the point also, and one point I told you, this is the point, lever 2. If you put all these points with the black color or you apply the pressure, I hope you will be able to get rid of your migraine problem. Thank you so much. My mobile number is 9717380071. You can call me at any moment, anytime. And more benefit is of this video, you can see this video in your own language. Thank you so much.